Okay. My turtle April. Hey guys, it's Melissa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Elizabeth, and welcome to MTA. So today I haven't done like this video in like a long while, and I haven't filmed a video with my phone in like a long while. So yeah. The reason why I'm not doing it on my computer is because it's not here. So yeah, it got broke. So that's a whole different video for another time. So yeah, today I'm gonna be unboxing something. So yeah, and here it is. Show you what it is first. It's a humidifier. So I'm gonna get my tools first so I can unbox it. Alright, so I got my tools here. Sorry if it looks so ratchet. I seriously haven't done like a Liz unboxing in a long while. I think I should change the name of the little series thing, because Liz unboxing sounds weird, at least in my opinion. What should I change it? Should I change it to Liz unboxes, MTA unboxes, unboxing with Liz? I don't know. I should keep it the way it is, or whatever. Oh, fancy. Comes with instructions and this thing. Yeah, whatever. Probably use this as a bookmark or something. Styrofoam. And the actual thing. And more styrofoam. So that's what it looks like in person. And on camera. It has fancy tape on it. This comes off and there's a little handle so you can hold it, I guess. I don't know. Oh. So, yeah, and more fancy tape. It comes apart, of course, because it's a humidifier. It has to come apart, and yeah. What's in there? I don't know. Here's the other half, so. So, now that I've unboxed this, I am going to try it out now. So, let's get testing. There it goes, y'all. It's working well. And sorry about all this. I was just decorating my window and my pillows are falling off. Sorry about that. I feel like Jose Sparks right now because he freaking loved humidifiers. He had a whole entire collection of humidifiers. So yeah. Enough with that. Rest in peace. Well, this is the end of the episode of Liz Unboxing. So yeah. Like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on notifications, what we're gonna do, make the book of dinding and stuff like that. So yeah. Gracias por ver y adiós. Sorry, I had to copy my sister, but yeah, bye.